A real gem at Big Rock Condos. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo that has been tastefully updated and cared for the past 22 years by these owners. It has an open floor plan with the living room looking out to a sunny and private back deck oasis surrounded by 6 fencing. Beautiful kitchen with all stainless appliances. The gas fireplace is completely new, including the stunning river rock surround and mantel. Insert is heat rated as well and does a fine job in heating the entire first floor. At the entry is plenty of closet space and a half bathroom. Rare is the attached 1-car garage as well. Large primary bedroom looks over Big Rock Park as well as Bombay Peak views. This is a fantastic condo and location.